Finviz versus StockCharts. Which stock analysis tool is better? Choosing the right stock analysis platform can shape how effectively you research markets, spot opportunities, and make informed trading decisions. Finviz and StockCharts are two of the most recognized names in retail stock analysis, each built around a different core strength. Finviz is known for its powerful stock screener and visual market overview tools, while StockCharts has built its reputation on best-in-class technical charting and chart-based analysis. This comparison breaks down how each platform works so you can choose the one that best fits your investment or trading style. Finviz is a web-based stock research platform best known for its fast, highly customizable stock screener and its visually striking market heat maps. The screener allows users to filter stocks across dozens of fundamental and technical criteria simultaneously, making it one of the most efficient tools available for narrowing down a large universe of stocks to a targeted watch list. Its heat maps give traders and investors an instant visual read on how sectors and industries are performing on any given day, which is particularly useful for spotting macro trends at a glance. Finviz also provides basic charting, news aggregation, insider trading data, and analyst ratings, making it a solid all-around research hub. The free tier is impressively capable, and the elite upgrade adds real-time data, backtesting, and additional screener features for more serious users. It truly shines for users who start their research process by screening and filtering before diving into individual names. Finviz is best suited for active traders, value investors, and market researchers who want a fast and efficient way to scan and filter the entire stock market based on specific criteria. StockCharts is a dedicated technical analysis platform built around its industry-leading charting engine, giving users the tools to perform deep, professional-grade chart analysis on stocks, ETFs, indices, and other securities. Its chart customization options are extensive, supporting a wide range of technical indicators, drawing tools, and chart styles that allow analysts to build and save highly detailed chart views. StockCharts also offers a library of market analysis content including commentary from experienced technical analysts, which adds an educational and interpretive layer that goes beyond raw data. Its chart list feature allows users to organize and monitor groups of securities efficiently, and its scanning tools let users search for stocks meeting specific technical conditions. The platform has a strong community and a long track record, making it a trusted resource in the technical analysis world. StockCharts is best suited for technical traders, chart analysts, and investors who rely heavily on price action and indicator-based analysis to drive their decisions. Feature comparison. Finviz and StockCharts both serve stock analysts and traders, but they approach the task from different angles. Finviz is best suited for users who want to screen and filter large numbers of stocks quickly using both fundamental and technical criteria in a fast visual interface. StockCharts stands out for users who want professional-grade charting tools, deep technical analysis capabilities, and access to expert market commentary. Each platform excels depending on whether your workflow starts with screening and discovery or with chart reading and technical study. Final thoughts. If you want a powerful screening and market overview tool that lets you filter thousands of stocks efficiently and visualize market trends at a glance, Finviz is a strong choice. If your goal is to perform serious technical analysis with a world-class charting platform backed by expert commentary and a rich indicator library, StockCharts delivers an experience that is hard to match. The best platform ultimately depends on whether you prioritize stock discovery and screening or deep chart-based technical analysis.